suspect at Killarney with a gray hoodie.
Bring this up, bring this up. Hey, keep your hands up.
Hey, anybody got less lethal?
Yep. Hey, what? Towards us. Hey, come back over here to this. Come back over here to the car.
Stay behind cover. Come here.
Hey, anybody got a less lethal 40?
I got. No, not the 40.
Okay.
Slowly keep walking towards us. Keep your hands up. Hey, who's got commands? I don't have voice.
Hey, keep moving, slowly, with your hands raised above your head. Put your hands down as far out in front of you as you can. In front of you, on the ground. Put your hands on the ground in front of you. All the way down, on the ground. On the ground. Crawl backwards. Crawl backwards towards you.
Back out.
On your chest. Put your arms all the way out.